Now, you can be a freak and it's not illegal, but you can't force people to do shit. And this is what I'm getting at. When you have a lot of money and you have no accountability and you want to do whatever the fuck you want to do whenever the fuck you want to do it, I think he can go a little bonkers.
You ain't been calling me and hanging out the way we used to hang out.
I mean, he's complaining to a teenager that you don't really want to hang out.
Things appear to be going from bad to worse for the diddler after he clashed with his lawyer Marc Agnifilo live in court, and he appears to be leaving the case due to Diddy's attitude towards him. This isn't just a typical legal drama, it's a case that could shift how we view both the people at the top of the entertainment industry and the systems that protect them. So, be sure to stick around till the end for the full details. When attorney Marc Agnifilo, renowned for defending high-stakes, morally complex cases suddenly withdrew from Diddy's team, it sent shockwaves through the legal community. Agnifilo is the kind of lawyer who has taken on seemingly impossible cases and won, so his departure raised a big question. What happened? Did he sense a fundamental weakness in Diddy's defense? Was there a disagreement on strategy? Legal experts say that the why behind his exit could signal shifts within the defense team. Agnifilo's absence could mean a total reshuffling of the defense strategy, or a disagreement on how to handle the RICO charges. In a case as big as this, such a shift could mean they're either preparing for a drastic pivot or facing internal turmoil. Agnifilo's absence leaves a mystery and potentially a hole in Diddy's defense that may impact the entire course of the case. It's now even said there's over 400 new lawsuits, and at this point, can any lawyer even save him from his inevitable downfall?
Diddy is about to be hit with 400 lawsuits. And all of these new lawsuits are going to be coming from Tony Busby, where the numbers have already increased to 150 plus victims. Tony Busby said more than 400 additional victims have passed the investigation into their claims about Diddy. Tony Busby told us when he announced 120 people that he was representing against Diddy out of 3,000 that he has investigators that work for his team, and they are siphoning out all of the claims to make sure the people that they are representing have evidence that they can use to help prove their claims in a court of law. He said some were pictures, photos, going to venues and corroborating the fact that these people were at these places when they said that they were, and that Diddy was too. Now he has 400 more people that he's going to be possibly representing against Diddy.
Make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell. This way you'll never miss out on any future celebrity videos similar to these. Many fans have wondered, what are the actual charges Diddy is facing? Well, let's look at that now. The racketeer-influenced and corrupt organizations, RICO Act, was originally designed to take down the mob. The idea is to go after large criminal organizations where each member may only be responsible for a piece of the whole operation. In Diddy's case, the RICO charges mean that prosecutors are attempting to connect various allegations into a single, overarching pattern of crime. RICO cases are challenging for defense teams because the prosecution doesn't need to prove every single allegation beyond a doubt. They just need to convince the jury that these alleged actions collectively show a pattern of organized criminal behavior. In this context, if Diddy's team can't break down this pattern argument, the prosecution might succeed even if individual accusations seem weak or unrelated. It's like a puzzle. If the pieces fit together, the picture of criminal activity could become undeniable. The specific allegations in this case, trafficking, coercion, exploitation, are especially explosive because they speak to issues of power and in the entertainment industry. Rumor has it that the prosecution has a treasure trove of evidence, alleged video recordings, interviews with ex-staff, and documents from properties linked to Diddy. If real, this evidence could be the game changer that turns allegations into proven claims. Imagine the impact if visual evidence or witness testimony confirms even a fraction of these allegations. Not only would it affirm suspicions that have lingered in the industry, but it could also embolden others to come forward with similar claims. For Diddy's defense team, every piece of evidence and every witness is a potential weak link they'll need to dismantle to prevent the jury from seeing the pattern the prosecution is trying to create. Public perception is key in any celebrity trial, and in this case, social media and news outlets have exploded with commentary. When public opinion turns, it can create a ripple effect that's hard to ignore even for jurors. In this era, public reactions spread like wildfire. Every new piece of information or witness account feeds the conversation. Many have also been wondering, why is everyone in Hollywood staying so silent about the Diddy allegations, considering the magnitude of the allegations made? Well, we may be beginning to get some answers.
So I think we might now know why Hollywood has been so quiet about the Diddy situation. Apparently Diddy kept records, meticulously detailed records. And I'm not talking about just audio and video. Apparently he would write down who was at the party, what was going on, etc. And at this point, all of his friends, all the people in the industry that attended these parties have no idea what the feds already know or what Diddy has told them, if anything. So instead of implicating themselves, they're just going to be quiet. And some of those people, J-Lo, are literally running away to dodge Diddy questions. She was at an autograph signing event. Somebody asked her about Diddy. She stopped mid-signature, got up, and ran out of the room with her staff. On top of that, Tony Busby came out today to remind us that he will be adding defendants to some of these lawsuits that are A-listers, names that will shock us. I just want him to go ahead and do it already because it would be interesting to know who these people are.
Before we go any further into the video, now it seems as though Diddy's lawyer has quits the case following a feud between the pair. Do you think it's likely Diddy is cooked and will face a life sentence? Or could you see him slithering his way out of it? Comment down below. A conviction under RICO for a celebrity of Diddy's status would be groundbreaking and could redefine accountability in the entertainment industry. This case doesn't just implicate Diddy, it brings into focus the power dynamics and potential that have long been rumored but rarely brought to light in legal settings. If Diddy is found guilty, it might embolden other alleged victims of high-powered figures to step forward, knowing that even a giant of the entertainment industry can face the full weight of the law. The trial could also prompt significant changes in how allegations are managed within the industry, possibly leading to new protocols or protections for individuals working alongside celebrities. It might even inspire reform around RICO cases themselves, as people begin to scrutinize how these charges can apply to industries outside traditional organized crime. This case comes at a time when there's increasing public scrutiny on accountability and of power, not only in entertainment, but in politics, sports, and business. Many will see this trial as a litmus test of whether the justice system can hold powerful figures accountable, regardless of their wealth or celebrity status. The outcome of this case could signal a shift in the way society and the legal system treat accusations against celebrities. The entertainment industry, which has long been shrouded in a mix of glamour and secrecy, may become a more transparent and regulated space if this case inspires change. Will this trial set a new standard for justice, breaking down the protection celebrities have long enjoyed? Or will it fade into the background of public memory, a flash of drama that passes as quickly as it arrived? As the courtroom battles continue and evidence is unpacked, we are all watching a pivotal moment unfold, one that could redefine the boundaries of power, justice, and accountability in a world that rarely sees its icons questioned. So stay tuned. This isn't just about a verdict, it's about a legacy, a lesson, and perhaps a new era in how we hold our icons to account. Anyway, this concludes today's video. Be sure to subscribe to LoafTube for future celebrity videos, and turn on that post notification bell so you don't miss out on any future uploads. Until then, see you in the next one.